As soon as I turn the key, fires right up. She's alive! Last video, if you haven't checked it out, gas was everywhere. I tracked down a new fuel rail, I put it in, I retimed some stuff, and now she's running like how she should. It's actually never started this easily before. So here's everything that I did to get this car running back to how it is right now. So I had to take the distributor out because one of the wires is sheared off. I just got that fixed, engine's at top dead center. What I mean by lining up the pointer from the distributor, if you take any straight pipe, you can kind of see where it lines up to what cylinder. If it's off a little bit, this will make it very obvious. So everything I did up to this point was literally just get that car running. Then I kind of tuned a little bit. I brought it out of the garage. Now I can kind of work on the Wagoneer. There is still a ton of things that I want to do to the Corvette. I want to sand off all the paint and make it purple. Here's like a reference photo of kind of what I had in mind. And I was thinking of getting like chrome wheels for it or something like that, just to make it, the thing I saw in my head, just have that like, I still need to bleed the brakes. I still need to check out what that weird sound is coming from the back driver's side wheel. Right now though, what I'm gonna be doing is working on this. It is a 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. So the engine is actually pretty good, same with the transmission. This car has another issue, and that is pretty much a bunch of little things from crappy frame to the exhaust being weird to some of the windows not working. In the video where I introduce this, I actually go over everything that I'm going to try and do to it. So I'll have that link at the end of this video. If you want to check it out, that's where you can find it. So working on cars is a hobby. I kind of adapted the mindset that it's not a sprint, it is a marathon. When I first got this, it was my first car, and I thought of it as a sprint. Like I just did everything as fast as I could and I didn't enjoy it. And then it had problems. And now, I don't know if I'm just like a more matured mind with this, but now I see it as a marathon. It doesn't mean I'm lazy about it. It just means like I'm taking it one stride at a time, and over time that marathon will come to an end and it will be done. I'm that much closer, and I'm excited to see what the next chapter is on the story of the Corvette. And in the meantime, I'm going to be working on the Wagoneer. I'm probably going to order some parts for the Corvette as well. Just wait for those to come in. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. I got that new fuel rail. I got it installed. I did a little bit of tuning. I got to bleed the brakes. I got to call the insurance. I got to drive this on the road. But here you go.